Special geometry group. The special geometry group of degree n is noted by SUN. So SU in the bracket n is basically a symbol for the special geometry group. It is a Lie group. So this type of group falls under the category of Lie group of n multiplied by n unity matrices with determinant 1. So this span geometry group is basically having geometry matrices, right, and with determinant 1. The special geometry group is a subgroup of geometry group. So this is UN. So SUN is subgroup. So again, UN also consists of the geometry matrix n into n. This is the order basically. So special geometry groups can be of any order such that SU2 and SU3. So SU2, SU3 are basically the examples of the special geometry group of order 2 and order 3. Now SU2. Basically only definition we will discuss. So SU2 group are basically applicable for the electroweak interactions in particle physics, because different type of particles are available in nuclear physics, right? And if the cases of electroweak interactions, then the SU2 group are used to define these type of interaction. So in this type of special geometry group, there are 2 into 2 type 2. This is the order basically 2 into 2 2 into 2 type matrices, right? This is SU2. That's why it is SU2. 2 means 2 into 2, right? This is some simplest non-abelian group, because different type of groups are available, you know, right? And if 5 conditions are applicable, then that is a abelian group, right? That is basically we already discussed. Closure law is one law. Then inverse should be existing. Then identity element should be existing. Then associative law should be existing. Then commutative law also existing. So these 5 are if existing, that is called the abelian group. Also, this is equivalent to SO3. This is a type of group which is equivalent to this SU2. This is a simple, semi-simple Lie group basically. And if we want to have generators for the SU2, so that will be n square minus 1, because it is SU2, so n will be equal to 2. So 2 square means 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This is the brief introduction about the SU2 group. Similarly, SU3 group. This group is applicable for the strong interaction, because this is also related to the nuclear particles, right? Nuclear physics, you can say, atomic physics, you can say whatever you want to say. So it consists of different particles. So if the interactions are strong between the particles, right? So these are quarks and gluons, right? The fundamental particles that make up the composite hadron, such as proton and neutron and pion, because proton, neutron and pion consist of quarks, right? And quarks basically have and gluons you have a strong interaction. So SU3 group are basically representing that. And this is a group of 3 into 3 matrices, because different type of matrices will be involved there, right? So it is corresponding to 3 into 3 matrices. And if you want to create generators, are basically n square minus 1, right? N square minus 1, and will be equal to 3, because it is to 3. So 3 square minus 1, 3 square means 3 into 3, 9, minus 1, 8. So 8 will be the value of generator. So in this way, we can differentiate between SU2 and SU3. So this is the way basically, right? So in this way, we can discuss about SU2 and SG3. So mainly these type of special groups are involved to explain the interactions. Either it is electroweak or strong interaction. The type of interaction are basically accordingly the group is involved. So SU2 or SU3 is the type of special group that those are involved. Thank you.